Well, I got another call for a Trane. This is a 4-ton residential unit, and customer contacted me late last night, said that he found this blown up inside the unit, 2 blown fuses, which somebody had put fuses in here. I haven't even checked them yet, but it's an oily mess in here, so this could be a good one. Hopefully it's just seems like the wrong capacitor without checking it. This is only a 4-ton, and that's an 80. Definitely not stock. So, all right, let's check this one out. Okay, so it's given the capacitor is bad. He had the cover back on. He actually had the power back onto this thing. But, jumper wires here. So that's for common. This is my compressor wire up here. Looks like he's got that nicely pinched in the top of the unit. So let's see if I can get that wire out of there. Yep, just barely pinched. I think he went through it. That looks good. That one looks good. So obviously we're not going to leave those in there. Let's check for power. Get in there. 37 to ground there. 5. That ain't gonna cut it. Let's see if he's even got this breaker on. Alright, I found a parts list in here, and we're dealing with the 4TTR 4048. So we would be somewhere here. 4TTR 4048. That should be a 70 microfarad, not an 80. So could be a good reason why it blew up. Well, this just escalated from 0 to 100 in no time. That's the compressor start terminal. This had that stupid insulation bag over it. It melted. And, yeah, I'm inside here with this stupid thing. You can see that plug is, it's toast. So, these wires are melted. I don't think that's going to change anything. Let's see. She's still grounded. I don't think this thing's going to come off here. I mean, this compressor got hot. It melted that bag. There's a stupid insulation cover. Alright, well, it's not looking good for this. And it's the weekend. And it's a holiday weekend, so guess what that means. Alright, well, that means we're going to replace this unit. I talked to the customer. I told him it's not worth putting a compressor in this, especially it's out of warranty. And so my theory is, obviously they put the wrong capacitor in there. It probably popped. They didn't catch it. The compressor didn't start, and it kept going off on internal. It overheated. It baked itself, and you know, with everything that happened in here, I wouldn't recommend spending the money on it. So we were able to get a new condensing unit. The dealer was open for a couple hours today. It's a holiday weekend, so we're gonna swap it out. Got pretty much the same unit going right back in. So get the gas out of this thing and get her done. getting there. Almost. Electric disconnected. And, it should be done in no time. It's at 5:30. So should go pretty smooth. The inside unit seemed to check out pretty good. They said it was cooling fine, just quit yesterday. And this is what we're going back with. American Standard Silver Series. Black compressor. No orange. So we'll see how this one turns out. But it looks almost identical in size. So I should be happy with this. And it's 4-ton. So what I did notice, there was no filter dryer on that old system. There's not one at the air handler either, but they supplied a new one. So here's the new capacitor. Is a 45 by 7.5. So the information I got for the other one was off the parts list. That other condenser unit should have been a 70 according to that. There's a big difference in today's new models. All right, get it all wired in, piped in. Got a dryer this time. Got some nitro flowing, and we'll braise it up, and this thing will be cooling in no time. Got the old vacuum going, and almost there, almost go time. It's been not even an hour, so went pretty smooth. Nice when they work out the same. Check out the neighbor's air conditioner. Yeah, that's a good one. Alright, so in the process of putting the right fuses in, we broke the top lug. It was real loose, and it was, I guess, cracked, and I was trying to tighten it, and it didn't get any tighter, so I had an old fuse block, and just used one of the terminals out of there, so I'm gonna make it work. But I'll get the appropriate fuses in there now. Getting there. Come on, little guy. Got a good deal on the batteries, the 9 amp hour. There's a guy on eBay selling them, $100 and like $15 to ship them. So if you're looking for them, check out eBay. I've already got 2 off there, so they seem to hold up, and they got the battery indicator on there. So the 5 amp hours it comes with doesn't have that. But I like this little pump. I've had it over 3 years now, and just all I've had to do is change oil and get the batteries charged, and she plugs away. And it's super light and don't take up much space in the truck. Alright, we broke that plane of 1,000, so I'm happy anywhere under that. Alright, we're energized. Let's throw some fire to it. So it should have 8 degrees subcooling. Alright, we'll let it run a little bit and come back to this. Alright, about to wrap this thing up. Charge is looking good. We're almost at that 8. I'm holding off on adding any more calls for 8. But This stuff will jump up in a heartbeat. So that looks good. Amps look good. Capacitor looks good. Don't put the wrong capacitors in. Alright, thanks for watching. Customer is happy. We've got air conditioning again. I'm happy. I get to go home and do it all again next week. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And we've got 61 degree supply. And I think it's 84. Let's see what it is. And there's our return. Can't ask for any better than that.